Biofuels, ethanol. What is a biofuel? A fuel derived directly from living matter. The pros. Burning ethanol is much cleaner than burning fossil fuels. When fossil fuels are burned, a large amount of greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide are released into the air, making it smoggy and unhealthy to breathe in. Although, breathing a moderate amount of ethanol actually benefits your cardiovascular health. 2. Corn ethanol releases 48 to 59% less carbon dioxide than gasoline, which is what we use in America. This means healthier air to breathe in. This chart shows how much corn and sugarcane ethanol can lower the percentage of greenhouse gas emissions coming from gasoline. 3. Ethanol works with any car as an alternative to gasoline, and it is in fact very fuel efficient. Not only will it benefit the earth, but your car too. The cons. 1. Water depletion. To make 1 gallon of ethanol, it takes about 4 to 8 gallons of water. If ethanol ends up replacing gasoline, so much water will be used every day that it would cause droughts all over the world and people not having enough water to drink, cook, bathe in, and more. 2. Expense. Ethanol may be cheaper than gas to the gallon, but gasoline gets more miles to the gallon, as shown in this graph. Because ethanol gets less miles to the gallon, the cost ends up more expensive than gasoline in the end.
The source of sugar used in the production of ethanol fermentation is different for each country. It usually has to do with the temperature of the region. The type of sugar that is used is either glucose, fructose, or sucrose. The top 5 countries that produce ethanol are the United States, the European Union, Brazil, China, and Thailand. Brazil uses sugarcane, the European Union uses sugar beet and wheat, America uses corn, China uses grain, and Thailand uses cassava. The production of ethanol is a 4-step process. The first step is an appropriate grain or plant that is high in starch is chosen. Next, it has to be grounded into a powder. An enzyme is added to liquefy the powder and then boiled to remove any bacteria. Then, yeast is added to initiate the fermentation process. After fermentation, separation process takes place to remove the ethanol from the water. After the ethanol has been distilled, the final step is desiccation, which takes out the carbon dioxide and water.